It's Bootleg here with another life. Just a little bit of extra information. Okay? If you have a garbage disposal, you can keep it sharp by putting eggshells in there. Okay? Eggshells and ice cubes. You put eggshells and ice cubes in there. Put eggshells and ice cubes down into your garbage disposal, and it keeps it sharp. Because you never know when you may have to put somebody's hand down there. So you want to keep it sharp. You want to keep it sharp. Keep it sharp. This is just a tip. Keeping your garbage disposal blade sharp. Ice cubes and eggshells.